newest pieces of Ukraine's arsenal is lowered into the water. It roars out into the open water under the control of this pilot, who asked we don't show his face, call sign Shark. This is Ukraine's latest sea, or surface, drone, designed to attack Russia in the Black Sea. They've never been shown to the public before. This model is armed with 300 kilograms, or almost 700 pounds, of explosive and can hit a target 800 kilometers, 500 miles away. They're very easy to control, Shark tells us, and they have severely limited the Russian Navy's movements. Ukraine sends its sea drones out hunting, plowing through the waves. If spotted, the Russian ships frantically open fire. Sometimes the Russians get lucky and manage to take them out. Other times, the drones break through the hail of bullets and reach their targets. Last October, Ukrainian sea drones carried out a stunning attack on the home port of the Russian Black Sea Fleet in Russian-occupied Crimea, targeting the flagship, the Admiral Makarov. This drone can attack, carry out surveillance and reconnaissance, among other operations. It is entirely Ukrainian designed and produced, according to its developer, who also asked for anonymity for security reasons. How effective are the Russian defenses against these drones?
Not effective. The equipment they have on their ships is designed to attack other ships. They can't hit such small drones. These are faster than anything else in the Black Sea.
A stunning pre-dawn attack last week on Russia's Kerch Bridge shows the havoc they can wreak. The bridge, which is a vital supply line from Russia to Crimea, was hit by 2 drones and left heavily damaged. In response, Russia said they launched days of intense strikes on seaside Odessa, alleging that the Ukrainian